guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Please subscribe, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today guys, I'm about to show you this nice hairstyle that you can rock. We're about to use this nice Cuban twist hair. This is super long, guys. It is 30 inches, so yes honey, we're about to make this nice bobble ponytail. Okay, I'm about to turn this all the way up, honey. Okay, so I cannot wait. I'm so excited. But first of all, I'm about to put my hair up, slick it down. You know me, okay? Okay, so my hair is washed and moisturized, guys, and I'm just gonna take these down and start my styling. Okay, now that I already moisturized my hair, I'm just gonna use my water. My hair gets really nice and soft for my gel to just glide through. But you know the shrinkage when I spray some water in my hair. But you know what? It's gonna be okay because we're about to fix this. I'm gonna be using this Eco Styling gel and just to sleek that down. Using my Diane brush, I'm just gonna brush everything up and sleek that down. I like to take sections, especially start from the front. Apply as much gel as you can. I'm trying to make it tight but not super tight to be uncomfortable, so just make sure you're not having a headache because you want to wear this the whole day, guys. Okay, you can wear it actually a couple days, but for me it's like a day or two and then I take it down because you know I'm a nurse, right? I already have my makeup done. Okay, it's cute. I used some strips to lay my hair down. I'm gonna go over with my brush that I got from Amazon. You know me. And then the hair, I'm just going to take it out of the pack and just take off the rubber band that it comes with and just apply it on my hair and secure that with the bobby pin, and I'll just start going around like that, and then I'll take a scrunchie as well and just secure that, and then I'll flip the hair, guys. That way it has like a natural look to it, and then I'm just gonna secure it with some bobby pins. And for this style, I'll not be using rubber bands. I'll be using a string that I got from Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description below. And I'm just gonna cut that into several pieces, and then I'll tie that on the hair just the way I'm doing right there. And then I'll cut the excess of the whole gold string on all the bubbled areas that I have, just so I just still want that gold to show a little bit, because you know me, I like to take it all the way to 100. Okay. used this string in my previous video. If you want to see my other style, you can check that out as well. And then when I'm done, I'm just gonna fluff the hair like that, and just so you know, I can achieve like a really nice bubble, guys. And the last part is just adding another gold string on top over there so that, you know, I make it cute, cute, cute. Okay, you know me, I make everything cute. The accessorizing queen, as you already know. You know me, I'm just gonna add some more string on top there and take this all the way to 100. Okay. Oh my gosh, isn't that cute? Get up, girl. Get up so they can see the whole length. Okay, get up. Oh, okay, she cute or whatever. I love how this came out, guys. This hair is so good. It is so soft. You know, it is so soft and it's so lightweight, like there's nothing on my head. So yeah, guys, this is how it came out. I hope you guys like it like I do. Oh my gosh, I just like the length that it goes way past any other hair that I've ever had, but it's like really nice and summery. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Toodles. Mwah.